What if your AI never left your laptop? No uploads, no cloud storage, no one watching what you search. Meet ZSearch Desktop, your own private AI workspace built for you. No IT team, no complicated setup. You're searching in minutes. Every file stays on your machine. Always private, always yours. Search PDFs, spreadsheets, images, even code, all in plain English. Every document you've ever saved becomes one searchable vault. Chat with your own AI agent, GPT, Claude, Gemini, or fully local models. Bring your own key or let us handle it. Capture ideas with AI notes, linked to everything you know. Plan your day with an AI planner that actually gets your work. Record meetings, get instant transcripts, and never take a note again. Generate images, video, and audio in ZSearch Studio, all from your desktop. Vault, notes, planner, meetings, chat, and studio. One workspace for everything you do. One simple plan, every feature included. Or bring your own key. Try ZSearch today at ZSearch.ai.